Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Junaid and this video is all about an app that I have made called Maskify. The main purpose of this app is to create habits of wearing masks and washing hands due to the certain condition of the COVID-19, and I made this app to basically increase awareness and to create habits of wearing masks. Some people like me, they have their mask in their pockets or in their car or in their bag maybe, but they usually forget to wear it because they don't have an habit of wearing it. So I made this app called Maskify. This app works on concepts called habit loop. This habit loop is something about giving a cue. You give a cue to a person and generating into a routine, and which ultimately results into a reward. How this habit loop works in my app, I will show it to you. So to download this app, you have to go to the Play Store and you have to type Maskify and search for it. This is the app, Maskify, with the mask logo. So you have to install the app. So it's a pretty small app and it's offline as well and ad free as well, so it will take not much time to install. So I will wait for it to install. So after installing, you just have to open the app and it will take you to the guide screen. So first you have to add your current location, right? It's telling you the steps to add your current location. You have to navigate to the location screen and get and save your location, and then you have to start the service by clicking start service button, and you can track your points based on your interactions with the app on the home screen, and you can achieve have certain achievement and certain badges based on those points, and so you can see your activities as well then when you earn point on what date or what time, right? So this part of this, so this is the home screen of the app. So first we have to navigate to the location screen and we have to get our current location. So I will click on get current location. You have to allow the location permission to the app, so I did it. So after it, you have to save your location. So location successfully saved. After my location successfully saved, I have to start the service. So I started the service. So basically what it does, it's create a service in the background, so it runs in background. So it's totally, even if you close the app, the service still runs and it will take few minutes to run, right? So let me tell you in this times to how this app works. So the main principle of this app is when you install your app and you have your initial setup and you start the service, so it will track your position, right? So there's a notification scheme that Maskify service is running. So what I was saying, that it will track your location. So as soon as you go outside 50 meters from your home, right, so it's going to detect that and it's going to notify you that you went outside. So do you have your mask on? If you haven't, you should wear your mask. So let me demonstrate you quickly how it works. So I will mark my location, change my location. Let's say I go outside, like I go on this street and I mark my location. Okay, now my location is on. If I track my location, I'm there, not my home. I'm pretty far from my home, right? So let the app think that you went outside. So in few seconds, in few minutes, it will detect you have gone outside and notify you like this. So you have your notification. So if the app is if my phone is in pocket, it will ring and it will notify that did you wear your mask, right? So if I click yes, it will give me 10 points for the mask. If I click no, it will tell me to wear a mask next time. So if I had wear mask, I will press yes. So okay, so this happens. So in the app you will get basically 10 points for wearing mask, right? Out of one time you have wear mask and you have got 10 points out of 100. 100 points is basically for the badges. So you have to earn 100 points of mask as well as washing hands. So when I return home, let me quickly stop that service. Okay, stop, the service stopped, and if you see now, I'm home, right? Now my location is at home. So when I return home, the app will quickly detect that I'm in home now, and it will try to notify me that I have to wash my hands, similarly like it did on wearing mask. So you have to wait quite a few minutes. Like it takes after 3 to 4 minutes it will check your location. So to keep it less battery intensive, I did that. And it will notify basically that you have to wear your mask, right? The notification came in, did you wash your hands? If I haven't, it will notify me to do so, kindly wash your hands now. And if I had, I had pressed yes, and it would have gave me 10 points. So basically it works on the habit loop. So there's a cue like notification when you go outside, that you have to do you wear your mask? So if I haven't, I will, and I will press yes. And based on the yes, there's reward points, and on the reward points you get rewards, and it's ultimately results into habits. So on in rewards points, I have just included the badges, in-app badges. I'm planning to include discounts as well, local store discounts, but to keep this app offline, I haven't included them yet. So basically this is the app, and this is the achievement screen. You can see your badges, you can see your progress to the next achievement, and you can see your activity. Like I have weared my mask and have got 10 points on this date. And for you can see also see WHO guidelines, like wash your hands and how to wash your hands, all that stuff, the guidelines that WHO have. So basically the main purpose of this app was to create a habit and build habits. And this is it. This is Maskify. Thank you.